Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra model. First, ensure you have your complete model kit and all necessary tools ready. Next, take a moment to review the instruction manual thoroughly to familiarize yourself with the assembly process. Finally, set up a clean, organized, and well-lit area where you can comfortably work on your project without distractions. This preparation is key for an enjoyable build. To begin, you'll need a high-quality Toyota Supra model kit, often found in a 1:24 scale. Gather your essential tools, such as plastic cement for strong bonds and a sharp hobby knife for precise part removal. Additionally, consider having fine-tip tweezers for handling small components and various grits of sandpaper for smoothing edges. These items will greatly enhance your building experience and the final appearance of your model. Start by carefully removing each part from its sprue using your hobby knife, trimming any excess plastic. Next, follow the instructions to assemble the major components, such as the chassis, engine, and interior, ensuring secure connections with plastic cement. Once the main structure is complete, attach smaller details like mirrors and spoilers. Finally, apply the decals precisely to bring your Toyota Supra model to life with authentic markings. After assembly, take time to inspect your model thoroughly, ensuring all parts are securely attached and properly aligned. For a professional finish and added durability, apply a clear protective top coat, which will also enhance the paint's luster. This final step truly makes your Supra model shine. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a resource that could genuinely change your outlook on money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.